Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google AdSense account for monetizing videos, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your Google AdSense account for monetizing videos, start by ensuring you have a YouTube channel. Make sure your channel meets the eligibility requirements for monetization. You should also have accumulated at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you've met these requirements, go to the YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, click on Monetization in the left-hand menu. You will see an option to apply for monetization. Click on the Apply Now button to begin the process. Follow the steps presented to review the YouTube Partner Program terms. Read the terms carefully and click on I accept to proceed. Next, link your Google AdSense account. If you do not have an AdSense account, you will be prompted to create one. To create an AdSense account, provide your website URL, which is your YouTube channel link. Fill out the necessary information including your email address and payment details. After submitting, wait for Google to review your application. This usually takes a few days, but it can sometimes take longer. Once approved, return to YouTube Studio. You should now see a message confirming your AdSense account is linked. Review your monetization settings in YouTube Studio. Make sure to enable monetization for your videos individually. Go to each video and select the Monetization tab. Toggle the monetization option to on. You can then select which types of ads you want to display. Consider enabling ads for mid-roll sections if your video is over 10 minutes long. Keep your audience in mind when deciding ad placements. Once you are satisfied with your settings, save your changes. Monitor your performance regularly through the YouTube Analytics dashboard. Make adjustments as necessary based on viewer engagement and feedback. Continue to create quality content to maximize your monetization potential. This completes the process of activating your Google AdSense account for monetizing videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.